Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video, we're going to talk about, are there constants in JavaScript? So yes, we have the constant in the JavaScript, and the constant was released in ES 15. Okay, so let's just compare the difference between the var and the const. Okay, so I'm gonna have the var first, which would be a, and it would be 10, and now I'm gonna have the const. It would be b, and its value would be hello. Alright, so I'm gonna simply console log both of these values. So let's just run the code for now. Okay, so the difference between the variable which we have declared with the var keyword and the variable which we have declared with the const keyword is that I can assign the a. The variable with the var keyword can be reassigned. Okay, so if I just try to give it another value here, I just want to give it reassigned. Okay, run it again. Now you can see here we have just reassigned the variable a, but you can't do the same thing the variable you declare with the const keyword. Okay, so if I just try to reassign it, it will give me the error. Okay, so I'm gonna give it the value of, so let's just run this and it will give me the error because we cannot reassign the const value. As you can see here, the warning attempting to override the b, which is a constant, so you cannot change or you cannot reassign it. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is the difference between the variable declared with the var keyword and the variable declared with the const keyword. And this is it. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.